His obsessive housework pays off, and a female drops in for a closer look. Now is his chance to really impress. But it won't be easy. Females are very fussy, and she'll expect his carefully choreographed routine to be faultless. He opens with a bow. Next, his blue eye must flash yellow. So far, so good. He has all the moves. Fancy footwork. The whirling dervish. The head plume shuffle with spin. Her erect head feathers and quivering wings are a very encouraging sign. His sidestep and head bob look good from any angle. But his crowning glory can only be appreciated from her perspective. Wait for it. There it is, a flash of his iridescent throat patch. Her excitement grows. His performance has been a triumph, and he wins her approval.